Hello, Virgo. Wait. Hello, Virgo. This is your channel messages for the 11th of September to the 17th of September. Virgo, the clothed man. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Virgo. Being very secretive, I believe. Okay, let's go. Let's get some of your inspirational cards for today, Virgo. Let's just see what the energy is like for you. Okay. Read for 30 minutes. All I want to talk about is reading thing. But I need to learn how to read. I can't spell my name, right? So I'm getting read for 30 minutes. There's something very cognitively transformative about looking on words. You'll get grammar. Your grammar will be better when you read. You'll know how to put words in front of, or you can just use Grammarly. But I'm getting read for 30 minutes, Leo. Instead of scrolling on social media while you're going to work, why you don't read something, a tip? Look up something. How to get your skin clearer. How to get your hair curlier. Just read anything. You just need information, new information, okay? Scrolling through Instagram, not gonna help you. It's gonna make you more insecure, okay? And compare with your life. And buying shit on Instagram shop that you know you don't need. Talking about government is spending money on tax. You know you never need that appliance, right? Let's go, Virgo. I was also hearing, Virgo. I heard this yesterday and I'm hearing it again. If you don't want me, your friend might. So I'm getting someone is going around talking about they're rejecting you. They don't want you. I'm getting them friend does. Your friend do. Listen, I don't need to argue with you. Ocho Cinco wanted me. Who? Ocho Cinco wanted me. Bitch, bye. Bitch, I got good. See, I got no credit. Bitch, I'm great. I'm fine. Bitch, okay, I'm getting if you don't want if them don't want you, them friend might. No, you might say it's a bit whole like to you don't want to be with somebody and then it never work out or the person reject you, so you decide to date them friend. But men do it all the time. I had 3 sisters. You know how usually men, you would usually approach us. He would approach my big sister first. If my big sister said no, he would approach me. If I said no, he would approach the little one. If the little one said no, he would approach the last one. Men do it all the time. Men do it all the time. So I'm getting, don't feel bad. No, if you did fuck him already, as long as his best friend is okay and comfortable with it, you should be comfortable with it too. Let's go ahead and go in your reading. Look how much fathers is fucking them daughters' son. So if you're a girl and you shoot your shot, I don't know, why would you be shooting a shot with a man? You want to play for the WNBA? You see what happened to Britney in Russia? But if you did and the man reject you, I'm getting him friend like you. So you have a choice. So how are you going to be with a guy who you already be with him friend? Simple. Is either him going to start being friends with that friend kind there with you now, or whenever two of them hang out, you won't be around. You see how easy that was, Virgo? The clothing man? So easy. So easy. I mean, Hollywood do it all the time. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Virgo. Let's go. We have the Queen of Cups coming out first. So I'm getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. Okay? Not sure who this woman is. We have a 6 of Wands. A very famous woman. She's known. I'm not sure if she's a writer, if she's a painter, if she's a fashion designer, but I'm getting a very, very famous person. All right? This woman. Okay, so I don't know if this woman have a friend and a friend want you. I'm getting a very famous woman. She's very wealthy. So maybe somebody might be confused as to I'm the famous one. I'm the one who everybody know. Why do I want my friend? The Magician. We have the Ace of Swords. And we also have the Hierophant. Okay, this could be something about friends. Literally, me getting you and your friends are like twins. So they like to act like sisters and like to act like brothers and like to act like twins. Now I'm getting one friend is more attractive, the other is more humble and religious. So the one who popular, now get the... Yeah, can be getting people to keep a say... Want to your friend, give me a friend number, no? Your friend single, walk on with your friend. No, the Magician card is here. I don't know if this woman is telling people, you know, me and my friend sleep together, me and my friend is not... Maybe somebody's saying she's not into men, he's not into women. I'm getting people want to talk to you. When we getting there's a manipulation happening. Like a lot of people want... That's like, okay, for example... I don't know if you're somebody famous, you're them friend. the blogs are reading, we want to know, we want to talk to her. But me getting this famous person is talking on behalf of you. Like, these people are saying, we want to interview, we want an autograph. And she's like, no, it's my friend. I know my friend best. My friend doesn't do autographs. When you see her, don't look her in her eyes. Don't point at her because she'll get aggravated. But me getting a beer lie. The woman I tell beer lie because something about you being chosen because you're more humble. The Hierophant. We're getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and a Taurus. Yeah. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and a Taurus. No, I'm also getting something about you're asking yourself, what is more respected? Will you be more respected if you were standing with the Bible, or you're more respected if you're pretty open and you don't feel that much religious about what the so-called Christians or so-called people think is a sin? Come, me getting you getting famous either too. Me getting you went with the crowd. Whatever the crowd like, that's what you go with. So this could be something about promoting lesbianism. When we're getting your friend is a Hierophant. Your friend don't stay that way. Your friend and you is actually the opposites. If you're very carefree and you're open with your sexuality, we're getting your friend very religious. Or me getting, for some reason, you're saying, why is it the attention or the respect that my friend gets, I don't get? Yeah, because one person is known for their intelligence and their moral character. You are known for your creative endeavor. In life, you have to know what... You see, life is like a movie. You have to know what character you want to play. Some people play the character of the cameraman. Some people play the character of the food people. You know? Some people... Like yesterday, they were shooting a whole movie. Right? Yesterday, they were shooting one movie. And I just look on the setup and everything. Okay. I'm going to look on how much car pull up. I'm going to look on... how much staff was there. I'm look on how much cameramen was there, and I'm look on how much assistants were there, mic people, directors, everything. And I said to myself, do you want to be one of these people who are holding the cameras, or do you want to be the person all of this is there for? Hello, you have to know which role you want to play. So you're walking around hyping because you're, you know, working with fucking HBO, holding the fucking mic. HBO did show up at this set for one person. That's the actress for shoot. So yes, so you go college for 10 years for study media and training, so you could get a job for at least help go on set for shoot a movie. That whole production was there for one person, the actress that them cast for talk. So in life, you have to know which role you want to play. You can play the man who holds the microphone, still very important, you need to finish the movie. But everybody was there, the whole production was there. Why the production there? For shoot a movie. Okay, how you going to shoot a movie? You need a main character. So the Hierophant seems like it's a main character, and you seem like you're the Virgo. I don't know, your character is not main. Your character is for the people. Your character is very common. It's not capital. And we have the King of Wands. Yeah, me getting this man I asked about your friend. This very, very attractive man. Me getting somebody so attractive, you're saying, you too attractive, you can't do it with my friend. Maybe you're saying to yourself, why is it that this girl dates attractive men and me don't date attractive men? You might be a girl, you used to date man, or you're in a relationship right now, and me getting a friend or a girl where you say, I don't know if she date a lot or she date around, and me getting a look on her and you say, oh, every man she date looks so good. You might even say she don't even look, you might even say, look how she ugly. Look how her face look how her lips look how her nose, look how she pull these men. Maybe because of the tightness of her pussy. Maybe that's why. Okay, but at the same time, me getting you say, but how she, yeah, me getting you start to say, why me not pull these type of men? Maybe because you think about personality, which is good. It is good. But you see some woman, and these are the women them so-called they call these women gold I don't know what them call them. But here's the thing. If a girl will date you because of your money, they call her a gold digger. Sometimes you'll tell a girl, say you need to take the average guy because the average guy will treat you good. The girl cannot take the average guy because she's not sexually attractive to him. And you might cuss her and say, oh, you want a toxic man, you want a man who this and that. This might be true or false, but at the same time, you cannot blame a guy and a girl for being honest because she don't want to deal with you because she's not sexually attractive to you. And you're going to cuss her or you're going to cuss him and say, look where you have a nice girl in your life. Look where you have a nice guy in your life who treat you well and give you all these things and you don't want to deal with me. Yeah, because when she fuck you, when she on top looking down at you, she want to be sexually attracted to you. Why is that a crime? Why a girl can say, you know, I like you, you're a very, 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 very nice guy, but when I'm fucking you, I don't feel aroused. Look how much girl I fuck a man for things. Anyways, this guy is asking about your friend. Your friend, me getting it to burn you. Them keep a talk about your friend. It did not burn Paris Hilton. Know that. Paris Hilton wasn't a jealous bitch. When fucking Kim Kardashian was coming up, Paris Hilton never bad mind her. Never. Look how Cardi B and Nicki Minaj, who is not friends, you hear things about two of them. Them compare them and whatever. Okay, let us clarify. The Queen of Cups is clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. So I'm getting, this could be a woman you used to be in the career. So at the time when you start your career, no people know you. But we're getting, it's not like a career end, but the fame that you build up is now represented in now. Okay, so is it every single thing you ever do in your life? The fame where you have now is the fame where you have now. I'm getting you have a friend. She is now starting her fame journey. And it's not that she might be more famous than you, but I'm getting no people are going to talk about she. Just like when you were coming up, people used to talk about you. But I'm getting you don't like that. You don't like the heat is off of you. Paris Hilton never bad by Kim Kardashian. As bad as people might call Kim Kardashian this and that, this and that. Kim Kardashian, you ever hear she said nothing terrible about Paris? Look how long them are friends. Look how long them know each other. And people compared Kim Kardashian to Paris Hilton, say, oh, yeah, you know, she took her style, you know, she tried to do this and that. Didn't Paris Hilton have a night in Paris sex tape first before Kim Kardashian did have hers? Me never hear Kim Kardashian bad mind her or shade her. Why? When I cannot say Kim Kardashian is not a girl's girl. No fun of that is thinking big pussy girl a bad man Kim Kardashian. She's not, you ever, she might throw shade to her baby father. You ever hear she says no shit about Paris Hilton? Look how long they know each other. Look how much people in Hollywood know each other and throw shade. Me never hear she said nothing weird, negative, bad about Paris Hilton. You cannot say she's not a bad mind girl. She's not a bad mind girl. She's too busy using Marilyn Monroe hair to channel her. The Magician. Ooh, I just saw the Devil card. The Magician is clarified by the Queen. Yeah. I'm getting a your time. This is your time now. The Magician. Or Switch Destinies. Speaking of switching destinies, I was watching Love and Hip Hop yesterday, Virgo. And Carly Red. Sierra is going through miscarriage. Sierra. I'm not talking about Sierra what they with Russell. I'm talking about Sierra what on Love and Hip Hop. First of all, she said she had 4 miscarriage. Mom, that is witchcraft. And before she did have the so-called, before she have her baby, she had a whole baby shower. And her mother said, I don't know if this is good for you. Sierra is having 4 miscarriage. Women, you have 4 miscarriage, 5 miscarriage, magic depon you. Magic depon you. Or you need to stop telling people when you're pregnant. Magic is on you. You're miscarry and you're not sick, you don't have heart problem, you don't have blood problem, you just a miscarry. Somebody don't want you to have a baby. Anyways, Carly Red is hugging Sierra, telling her, you know what, I'm here for you, even if you need me for hold it in the bed. And the same blood clotting Spice I talk about, you know. What do you mean if you need her to hold her in the bed? What kind of argument that? Why would you want to hold your friend? Why you want to hold your friend crying in her bed? You never say if you need a shoulder to lean on, if you need a listening ear. Yo, even if you want me to hold you in the bed. What kind of weird shit is that? Then Jessica, no. Jessica, I don't know what wrong with you. Because I know you a massage Sierra belly. I try to release her sacral chakra. I rub her belly while her man stand up there. Why the man never do it? When I can't say, Mona Scott, I don't know what you're doing, but continue, ma'am. Let us continue the reading. The getting is your time for bite the apple, for bite fame. Your time for bite fame. Me was locked out of my Apple account yesterday and it took me 2 fucking days for Apple to verify to know that it was matching my face who belonged to my Apple account. And I say, I'm glad say them send me a reset password, the email. Cause Google, you try to lock in Google, they say, go suck your mother. The fuck you do? You try to lock it. Okay, Apple. I'm sorry, we need time to confirm your identity. Give us, 3 to 4 business days. Oh, fuck. Google, that say? Bumbo clot, you think you can blood clot? Come in, you say anytime you want. You think you can log in and log out when you're blood clot? What, go suck your mother? Go suck your... Google would have never let me in. You know how much Google account take away for me? I'm never get it back. The whole of my picture them from Jamaica, from all these things. Google take it from me. Google sent me and the pictures of me in Jamaica did not match, right? At least Apple did send me a reset password. Google, I said, go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Google would have never let me back in. Google I say you think you can come in and come out when you want. Yeah, log in, log out. To the fuck you think this is? Let's continue the reading. I'm getting your friend time for buy the apple. And to be honest, the Queen of Cups is usually Caucasian, lighter skin complexion. And I'm getting the Queen of Pentacles is dark. So I'm getting if you're a white friend, used to famous, or black friend, I get famous now. It's a problem. You're not usually comfortable with the camera being like us. Unless you're working for them. The Ace of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Cups. The Hierophant is clarified by the Two of Pentacles. And the King of Wands is clarified by the Devil. The Devil came back. I'm getting that man that want you. Him want you. I'm getting obsession. Virgo. Because I'm getting if you're one man, yeah, go back to one man. You go back to your friend and you tell your friend. First of all, if you're telling your so you're one man and you tell your friend how you and this girl have sex in the bedroom. And you're telling her she's a throat goddess. That's what the fuck you're telling. That's a throat god. A throat goddess. At least you had a little respect for her. You tell your friend how she's a throat goddess and she take your dick left, right, and center. You don't think your friend won't try that? Worse if you're the more outgoing guy in the group. Your friend not socialize like you, and you divulge the whole of the secret between you and this girl to your friend. Your friend look like him like her. I'm getting your friend start watch her. And your friend has said, but what my friend has said when I watch her are two different things. So why my friend is saying that? But even though you have loyalty to your friend, me getting sexual attraction is what? If you ask some of these men, if them really honest, I'm not saying, yeah, but I did with my friend girl. If them did left and my friend never have a problem with it, or if my friend wasn't in the picture no more, yeah, but I did with her. Because usually you confide in your best friend. Even girls too, they will confide in each other about their man. That's why sometimes your girlfriend fuck your man. Because you confide in her too much. What's your talk about sex? How big him is, how good him fuck you. That will give them the ultimate push for fuck up your shit. But I'm getting obsession, yeah, I'm getting that man I'm obsessed with your friend. Your friend. I'm getting your friend don't even show that much attention to people. Your friend always have them head down. Maybe your friend don't really I don't know, I'm getting you more focus on building your career and continuing your career, but your friend more, I don't know, but I'm getting that man you like her. Maybe you wanted a man for like you. Somebody name could start with a G or a J. G or J or something like that. I'm getting is your time. I'm getting a your time now. I'm getting something about, it could be like a black girl and a white girl who are best friends. I'm getting drama. I'm getting fucking drama. I'm getting jealousy. That's what it is. I'm getting, ooh. Oh, Virgo. We have Baphomet. Duality, half human, half animal. We have the coming Megatron. No, we have Metatron. Highest ranking angel, closest to God. We have Scorpio. We have religion. We have father. And we also have mother. Both parents came out. Oh my God. No, we don't have a true size. Hello. 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 Okay, so I'm getting some more your mother and father. Both of them. I don't know if your mom and dad had two kids and one came out looking Caucasian and one came out looking black. I'm not sure if that's what it is. I don't know if your mom and dad mixed. Beginning some way okay, so your parents is here. Baphomet. Religion. I'm getting a year time now though. I'm getting both of your parents agreed. Somebody went to them asked your mother, them asked your father, and both of them said yeah. To whatever this is, or whoever this man is. So I'm getting if this wealthy man or something like this is happening, this girl wants to be on the way with you now. Cause I'm getting you chill with the girl. But I'm getting you gotta date a man and a friend don't want. I'm getting into a girl. The girl is like she went date this man. Like your friend a date a wealthy man and you date one average man. You're gonna feel weird now. I mean, you start compare your life and you start compare your relationship with her. When your friend never wealthy and your friend never have no man interested in her, you was okay with the relationship you have. Now you see a friend and date this man or date a wealthier man, you're saying, you know what, I could do better too. You're not thinking about the man when he did it for you before your friend you get famous for you for bad mind her. Now you see a friend and want a happy relationship or you see a man take, that's her destiny. You did choose yours, remember? I'm getting, you might have give a man problem now. And I complain to your man about weird things. And your man say, where this come from? Because you see a friend with one new man. And I don't know if the guy look better than your man. But me getting, you never even think about looks until you see a friend with a man. That wasn't important to you. It was about personality and how them treat you. But apparently, you see a friend with a new man who may not know if the man treat her well and him have money. Me getting you saying, I can do better now. You never switch money for loyalty. That's what keep your soul from being tampered with. Mother came back again. Mother. So I'm getting something about your moms. Something about your mother. Your mom. I mean, you know what? Both parents could take credit for my accomplishments. You know, I feel like I got help from both parents. But at the same time, because I am a girl, you know that majority of my personality came from my mother. And my stubbornness came from my father. Ask Germany. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Virgo. Virgo. Until next time, Virgo. Bye.